Hi, my name is Aravind Prasad. I run this company called Deepgrid Semi Pvt Ltd. And what we build is transformer native AI chipsets. When I say transformer native, bringing a transformer to the edge system at a low cost. Today we have a problem of too many accidents on Indian roads or accidents due to systems not being intelligent. The reason being the chipset which runs these to make them intelligent is very expensive. So what we are trying to address is to bring this $3,000 chipset to $30. Our compute cost comes down to $30. That's what we are trying to build. It's a great feeling to run a startup first place. I mean, there are certain criteria they would have seen and they would have seen our work or something. But what I believe is a truly semiconductor company solving a real world problem, getting selected is a win for everybody, not for just us. So one of the great things about tworks is it's actually an ecosystem where you get CNC machines, you get PCB work, you get the electronics done. We as a hardware company greatly benefited because of the chipset being easily fabricated, tested, prototyped here. We have high-end test equipment here, 3D printing services. So all these in a single environment saves time and prototyping faster. So the faster you iterate, the faster you fail, the faster you become better. In that way, tworks really helped us. So one of the great initiatives about HDFC Parivartan is that they are willing to give a grant of 25 lakhs for building prototypes. As a chip company, we would want to demonstrate our chip use cases in as many possibilities as possible. So getting a grant to demonstrate that use case, that particular use case is very important for us. That is why HDFC Parivartan makes a huge dent in difference in a lot of startups which are in prototyping or want to show use cases. They can't build 10 use cases. At least this kind of grants help build. For us, we are trying to build an autonomous transport vehicle which will transport from a ship to shipyard. So that use case, spending 25 lakhs to demonstrate our chip would have been very difficult without HDFC Parivartan. This would be a very great use case of it. Thank you.